Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, as I'm Christina, I'm a personal stylist. So welcome to this channel all about fashion and style. And in today's video we talk about how to look expensive on a budget. So let me firstly tell you, style is not about money. I know you probably already know this, but money will not buy you style, and it really doesn't matter how much money you have. You can look stylish and expensive, and I will give you some tips in today's video. So, as I said, you don't need to break the bank to look expensive. And it's all matter of how you put your outfits together. If you have a good sense of style, obviously, if you pick the good quality materials. And furthermore, it's about you. If you're like this, hunched over, with no confidence, how you want to look expensive? You have to be confident and the very best version you can be. So let's get started. First tip, how to look expensive on a budget is stick to neutrals. I know, I say this all the time, but really, if you imagine some crazy colors like neons, it definitely gives more a vibe of cheap than expensive. So neutrals are really the way, because it's delicious to the eye, and also obviously styling is much easier. And for me, I advocate that in simplicity is power, and really I stand behind this. So sticking to neutrals is number one tip. Tip number two is get rid of logos and prints in general. It doesn't matter what print it is. I don't know, you have this Minnie Mouse on your t-shirt or very long quotes like no boy no problem or something like that. No, it's just like, I would say it's even childish. Like, I may wear some print from time to time. I have probably like 2 t-shirts with a print. One is like with a minimal, but that's, I think, not necessarily obviously looking expensive, but any kind of prints, logos, anything that is too distracting, just forget it and stay by block colors. It's basically very similar to tip number one. Again, neutrals, block colors, keep it simple. Another tip I have here is ironing. Always have non-wrinkly clothes. I know this is a no-brainer, but I just thought maybe someone needs to hear this. So always have perfectly ironed clothes, no wrinkles, because the wrinkles just like ruin the whole outfit. Another tip is find designer dupes. Dupes are quite often nowadays to see by many brands, like I know Zara does that, for example. Many other brands, if you're in the USA, there are definitely many. I will show you some examples here. And that's definitely a good way how to look expensive. If you cannot afford to buy designer, but you like the style of certain piece, this is definitely a great idea. Next tip is pay attention to detail. And by that I mean jewelry and accessories in general. In this case, it's very important not to overdo it, because I think in someone's mind, expensive, they may think they wanna do something like this, but it's just too much. Don't overdo it and keep it simple. So I think for some people it may be really tough to put this together, because in their minds expensive is something that's like big and a lot of gold and massive, but that's not it. I think it's opposite. Again, repeating myself, just keep it simple. Keep it sophisticated, just like a pair of nice earrings. If you have cleavage, you can put nice necklace or bracelets if you like, but just don't overdo it. Don't wear like a watch, earrings, bracelets and necklace. That would be like too much in most cases. So depending obviously on your outfit, you need to have an eye for it. a bit, obviously. So depending on your outfit, it's very neutral. You can add a bag that will stand out, like in, for example, some bright color like red. And also with the jewelry is the same. Sometimes what is enough can be just a really elegant watch, or like earrings, or really depending also obviously on what are your likes and dislikes. But don't overdo it. And obviously, as I'm talking about jewelry, we want it to look good. So obviously, even if your budget is not big, there's still shops where you can get nice jewelry that will be looking expensive. Obviously, as I say, we are talking about how to being expensive on a budget. You don't want to buy jewelry that will be looking super cheap, even though they will be simple. So I hope you get where I'm coming from. Another tip is wear all black. Yes, all black everything. That's the hashtag I use sometimes. And I totally stand behind it because it never goes out of style. It's classy, it's timeless, it fits everyone. It camouflages the quality of the fabric, and it camouflages the stains, and obviously you can wear this for any occasion, and you don't need big money to get this look. Next tip is wear lipstick. Lipstick is that little something that will upgrade your outfit. Obviously, it doesn't have to be necessarily just red lipstick. Depending on your skin tone, it can be some shade of pink, some shade of peach, what suits you. But it definitely can make a big change. And sometimes when you feel like there's something missing in your outfit, you can use a lipstick to give it a new vibe. As we are by the lipsticks, I would mention next step, and that's your overall makeup and nails. Yes, we all know it, I have already said it many times, but it makes or breaks the outfit. Your outfit can be the most chic, expensive looking glam outfit ever, but if your makeup is overdone, if your hair is not nice, or if your nail polish is peeled on your nails, you will never look expensive. So again, I think if you're more natural, it looks better. So don't overdo your makeup again, because again, simplicity is the power. I feel like sometimes also goes for makeup and also for clothes. I feel like people think that they have to do so much with the jewelry, with the clothes, with the makeup, as I said, and it's counterproductive, because really at the end of the day, the more natural you look, the more expensive it is. I think it's just really little details that will make it stand out, but overdoing stuff never looks good. And also, another tip is make sure it fits. That's crucial, because if you don't wear the right size, if you wear the wrong shape of clothes, baggy clothes, and so on, you will definitely not look expensive. So always have the right fitting clothes. And the last tip, that's a little bit of extra tip from me, and that is get a leather jacket. Yes, I think a leather jacket can instantly upgrade your outfit and the whole look. Obviously, you always have to look for the fit, for the quality, for the cut. It doesn't have to necessarily be a leather jacket. And obviously, as you probably already know, I really like the biker jacket style. It doesn't have to be biker jacket, but really an expensive looking leather jacket. That's it. It's very versatile. You can wear it with anything and you will look expensive. So these were the tips from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive more videos on fashion and style. And definitely let me know in the comments below which tip you like the most, and if you are already using some of these tips to look more expensive. And I will see you in my next one.